Can the trip lever be installed left-handed or right-handed on a toilet tank and still work reliably? The trip lever is designed to be universal, so it can face left, right, forward, or backward depending on the tank configuration and the user preference. Installers should first check tank wall thickness and clearance inside the tank to ensure the lever shaft reaches and the mounting nut seats flat. If the lever arm does not align with the flapper chain, bend the metal arm gently at the slot near the lever pivot to angle the chain connection without stressing the plastic or metal parts. When replacing a worn lever, remove the old mounting nut with a pair of channel locks while holding the lever from the outside so the operating shaft does not fall into the tank. For forward or backward mountings, where gravity does not assist chain return, shorten the chain by 1 link so the flapper returns promptly and does not hang open. Finally, use a silicone grease sparingly on the shaft seal if sticking occurs, but avoid petroleum-based greases which can degrade rubber seals. Common mistakes are forcing a lever into an orientation where the shaft binds against the tank lip and then tightening the nut, which can cause leaks or break the shaft. The fix is to back off, reposition the lever so the shaft clears the tank lip, then hand tighten the nut, and finish with a quarter turn from a wrench. Another frequent issue is attaching the chain too long so the flapper does not seat and the toilet runs continuously. Keep the chain just slack enough that the flapper seals when closed and adjust by 1 link at a time while testing flushes. A third problem is using the wrong replacement lever that has an incompatible shaft length or thickness. Measure the original shaft and choose a universal lever with adjustable shaft length or a removable adapter sleeve to match the tank and avoid improvising with washers that can cause leaks. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing profiles and contact details so we can compare options and communicate directly. Our site also helps contractors find work by giving them a place to create a presence and connect with potential clients. And we host an active discussion community where users and pros exchange tips and ask questions.